Hi, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny, back at it again. We out here at Subie Fest. My boy Sherrod and Jamie. This is my first year, obviously. First year I have a Subie, so I had to come. Be part of the crew, you know. It's pretty hot. It's been good so far though. We've been getting a lot of free shit. You know. Free. You say it's free, we there, you know? That's how it goes, but it's been cool so far. Just the heat, that's about it. It's like packed, but it's not packed. It's like a good amount of packed, I guess, I don't know. Where you got the Sparko booth. Oh, this seat is nice right here. I like this seat. It looked dope, like. They're for skinny ass people though. I don't even think. I need some more carbs. I can kinda, like barely. If I gain like a pound more, probably not anymore. Damn. In the flesh. Oh shit! Check this out. What the fuck? This thing is wide and dope as fuck. And it's right-hand drive. That is dope. That is tight for sure. You think it's a stock motor? Fuck no. You think they got like a 2J LS? Could be a nah, it may be a 2J. I want to say LS. I'm good at yourself? I had a question. So what motor is under here? What motor does this car have? LS. LS? Oh shit. Over here, god damn boy. What's up guys? What's up man? How's it going? Good, you? Good. Damn. Yeah? Cool. Yeah, this thing is. Damn, that's pretty tight. I mean, yeah. It's dope. It's cool. This is tight. What's up, man? Yeah, I gotta touch it. We almost got hit. We almost got hit. It's like focusing on the fence.
I know.
God damn. That road is pretty bad. Woo, I almost ended up getting one of these bad boys right here. This thing's pretty dope. This one right here is right-hand drive. This thing is sick. It's yellow. It's an XT, so it should be turboed. Yeah. It's right-hand drive. This is dope. This is tight. take a picture of this shit.
You gotta do something deep, man. Hey, yo, man. Damn, what's taking you home so long, son? Calm down, man. He coming. Keep pulling.
I feel like every time I see it, it gets smaller.
Fucking baby ass rim.
Dude, it's hard top.